Hey Christian, so I thought that your topic was very interesting. It is not something that I've ever actually considered before, so I thought it was very cool that you narrowed your search to adults with ADHD. Kind of like you said, there's a lot of information out there about children with ADHD and the effects of that and how that affects them academically and socially, but we don't really hear a whole lot about children and when they become adults, what happens then? How does the ADHD impact them, their personal life, their relationships? So I thought that this was a very neat topic. And then to add on to that, when you start talking about CBT and how this might affect relationships, where one individual has ADHD and the other does not, it got me very interested in it. So I started doing a little research and I found one website, and it was written in 2020 or was edited in 2020 by the capital CHADD authors, and it's titled Cognitive Behavioral Therapy for Adults with ADHD, and it shows some preliminary success for CBT in adults with ADHD. So I did like that you had also basically predicted or hypothesized, I guess you could say, that when an adult with ADHD is in a relationship with someone who does not have ADHD and they receive cognitive behavioral therapy, their relationship satisfaction will improve. And it does make sense that you decided to use this single case study for this, just based on the population and the numbers and what you described there. So it would be very cool to see results on this. One Bible quote that I thought was very applicable to this was James chapter 1 verse 19, and it says, "My dear brothers and sisters, be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to get angry." And I think that's applicable here because it talks about patience and really just trying to understand things more. And I think especially in a situation with someone who has ADHD or another, I don't think impairment is the right word, but like a learning curve of some sort, I think the patience is especially applicable there. So great job.